Okay. Go ahead and have a seat.
My name is Mark S.,
I'm Kelly R.
My name is Irving B.
My name is Dylan G.
and I have, of my own free accord,
Elected to undergo the procedure.
Known as severance.
I give consent for the Lumen Corporation
And it's a good corporation.
To sever my memories between my work life
and my personal life.